Imagine a place where you can witness the original Star-Spangled Banner, step into Julia Child's kitchen, and marvel at the ruby slippers from the Wizard of Oz. Welcome to the National Museum of American History, nestled in the heart of Washington, D.C., and a proud part of the Smithsonian Institution. This museum is a living, breathing chronicle of the United States. Home to an extensive collection of over 3 million objects, the National Museum of American History is not just a museum, it's a vibrant testament to the American experience.
Step into the corridors of the past, present, and future as we delve into the museum's various exhibitions. Our journey begins with the Star-Spangled Banner Gallery. It's here that you'll find the original Star-Spangled Banner, the flag that set quill to parchment and inspired Francis Scott Key to pen our national anthem. It's a tangible piece of history that resonates with the spirit of American independence. Next, we enter the realm of American enterprise. This exhibit takes you on a journey through the evolution of American business and innovation. From the early days of the Republic, where industry was in its infancy, to the present day, where technology and entrepreneurship reign supreme. It's a testament to the ingenuity and determination that have shaped the economic landscape of America. Moving on, we immerse ourselves in the vibrant tapestry of American culture.
This exhibition delves into the social and cultural history, the heartbeat of the nation. It explores the evolution of music, movies, fashion, and food, charting the course of trends that have defined the American way of life. It's like stepping into a time machine, where every era has its own distinct flavor.
Our last stop is the American Democracy exhibition. Here, we trace the roots of American democracy, from the early days of the Republic to the Civil Rights Movement. This exhibit highlights the struggles, victories, and ongoing efforts to uphold the ideals of freedom and equality. It's a powerful reminder of the resilience and courage of those who dared to challenge the status quo. Each exhibition, a story, each artifact, a piece of the intricate puzzle that is America's history. Each item, each exhibit, each gallery tells a story. A story of a people, a nation, a history that continues to unfold.
The National Museum of American History isn't just a repository of artifacts. It's a living, breathing chronicle of the American journey. It's where history comes alive, where past meets present, and where we get a glimpse of the future. So come explore and discover the stories that have shaped America.
Why does the National Museum of American History hold such a revered place on the global stage? This museum's fame springs from its vast collection, engaging exhibits, and groundbreaking research and educational programs. It's not just a display of artifacts, it's a vibrant center of learning, advancing our understanding of the American story. Its work resonates beyond borders, making it a hub of global significance. So when you next find yourself in Washington, D.C., remember history awaits at the National Museum of American History. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Facts Fed channel for more enlightening videos. Thanks for watching.